Camtasia versus Davinci Resolve, which is best? That's the topic of today's video, and we're gonna kick it off with Camtasia. Camtasia is a user-friendly video editing and screen recording software developed by TechSmith, ideal for creating tutorials, presentations, and instructional videos. In terms of features, it does allow you to seamlessly capture on-screen activities, making it perfect for software tutorials. Camtasia offers a variety of annotations, callouts, and interactive quizzes to enhance viewer engagement, as well as the fact that it provides pre-built templates and themes to maintain consistency across projects. Camtasia also excels in ease of use with a score of 9.0 on G2.com, making it a preferred choice for beginners. When it comes to pricing, there are three tiers: Camtasia Essential for $179.88, and then you have Camtasia Create and Camtasia Pro. In terms of cons, the only cons I can see is that its feature set might become very limited if you are doing more high-end videos. And I guess the upfront cost might be a bit steep for more hobbyist users. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, we have Davinci Resolve. Developed by Blackmagic Design, it's a professional-grade video editing software known for its advanced color correction and post-production capabilities. Its features include the fact that it will support multi-cam editing, motion graphics, and extensive color grading options. Davinci Resolve integrates 2D and 3D compositing, visual effects, and motion graphics. It also offers a full suite of audio post-production tools. In terms of ease of use, it is an incredibly steep learning curve for someone coming from Camtasia or someone coming from CapCut. It is definitely more complicated. However, once you get the flow of things, I feel as though Davinci Resolve is a definite competitor for things like Adobe Premiere. In terms of pricing, Davinci Resolve offers a free version with robust features, while the Studio version, which is the paid version, includes additional advanced tools and is available for a one-time purchase of $295. In terms of cons, the only ones I could see would be complexity, because as I mentioned earlier, it can be extremely overwhelming. And then on the hardware side, it requires a rather powerful computer to run smoothly, especially for high-resolution projects. In summary, Camtasia is ideal for users seeking a straightforward, user-friendly platform for creating instructional content, especially where screen recording is essential. Think something similar to CapCut. Davinci Resolve caters to those requiring a comprehensive, professional-grade editing suite with advanced capabilities suitable for complex video productions. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking the video, hitting that subscribe button, and catching me in the next video.